I am running. I am walking. I am jumping. I am swimming. I am driving. I am flying. I am eating. I am drinking. I am cooking. I am baking. I am cleaning. I am washing. I am studying. I am reading. I am writing. I am drawing. I am painting. I am laughing. I am playing. I am listening. I am watching. I am waiting. I am thinking. I am teaching. I am helping. I am learning. I am talking. I am creating. I am caring. I am working. I am planning. I am meditating. I am stretching. I am exercising. I am practicing. I am bending. I am twisting. I am pulling. I am pushing. I am folding. I am climbing. I am throwing. I am sliding. I am skipping. I am catching. I am kicking. I am crawling. I am kneeling. I am trying. I am shaking. I am growing. I am exploring. I am competing. I am hiking. I am fishing. I am planting. I am watering. I am harvesting. I am sowing. I am digging. I am relaxing. I am hiding. I am preparing. I am packing. I am unpacking. I am calling. I am traveling. I am changing. I am smiling. I am waving. I am editing. I am coding. I am celebrating. I am decorating. I am emailing. I am texting. I am serving. I am lifting. I am hosting. I am repairing. I am reporting. I am feeding. I am holding. I am whispering. I am designing. I am sewing. I am marking. I am embroidering. I am shopping. I am knitting. I am spinning. I am coming. I am crying. I am stitching. I am looking. I am knocking. I am dreaming. I am leaving. I am fixing. I am building. I am winning. I am losing. I am cheering. I am shouting. I am hitting. I am opening. I am closing. I am flipping. I am sleeping. I am recording. I am riding a bike. I am solving puzzles. I am inviting. I am researching. I am failing. I am succeeding. I am speaking. I am commuting. I am questioning. I am sunbathing. I am analyzing. I am sculpting.